Got a little on the toasty side today.
Oh, I know. What a beautiful day to be out on the water or out just about anywhere, Steve.
I think you're right, Kathy. A little bit of breeze here at the Elliott Bay Marina, and that's helping things out a little bit to cut off some of that toastiness Eric was talking about. If you're wondering how warm it is right now, well, let's show you. We have the sunshine. You know about that. It is right up there. 86 degrees, northwest wind, 15 miles per hour, barometer 2998. It's falling. Humidity's low is at 32%. The high temperature for today, how about 87 degrees after an overnight low of 60? And needless to say, that's warmer than normal. 76 is normal and 54 the normal overnight low temperature. Let's take a quick tour of the rest of the country and we'll get back to our situation. We have a lot of heavy rain falling through the midsection of the country. I'm speaking of Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, Missouri, and up into Nebraska as well. Wichita picked up about 2.5 inches of rain in a 5-hour period. That's an awful lot. No flooding reported, but it's still pretty wet. Clear and calm over the northeast, and it was a little cool over the Rockies, but sun seems to dominate much of the west coast. Tonight is going to be one of those nights where it's fairly mild. Even if you get around the water, I think short sleeve shirts are probably going to do it for you, because we're not really going to get all that cool. Here's what's happening. You see on the satellite photograph, we're just holding the weather systems away from the northwest. Started to establish a fairly good ridge of high pressure, and that keeps everything out in the Pacific or north of us. So here's what it looks like tonight. Mostly clear skies. We'll have a little bit of patchy fog or low clouds on the coast. Upper 40s to mid 50s throughout the region. Seattle will be the warmest at around 60 degrees overnight. Tomorrow, well, we're going to do it again. More sunshine, about the same on the temperatures. Mid 80s in Seattle, 85 in Olympia. The freezing level in the mountains will be 14,000 feet, and east of the Cascades, well up into the 90s, might even touch triple digits in some locations on that side of the Cascades. So tonight, here's the forecast. We're looking at clear and warm conditions. Overnight low temperatures right around 60 degrees. And you'll start off your day tomorrow again about the same. Sunny and fairly mild. And as the day goes on, it's more of the same. Sunny skies and still pretty hot with the highs in the mid-80s. So that's how we're going to wrap up our week. I know you're thinking about the weekend, what with the bye to Seattle and everything coming. Here's what it looks like. We will continue to see our temperatures right there in the 70s as the weekend goes on, cooling just a bit, but no rain in sight. It really looks to be a fairly pleasant weekend, okay? Everybody have a good one. Be safe out there.
And you too. Thank you, Steve.
All right.